Here's the important thing to understand: an inspection report is not a list of things you are required to fix. It's a record of observations. Some matter to the deal, while some don't. Buyers are usually focused on risk, not perfection. They are paying attention to the safety issues, major systems, and anything that could affect financing, insurance, or resale. They are not expecting an older home to look brand new. Where sellers get into trouble is treating the inspection report like a repair checklist. That often leads to agreeing to fixes that don't change the value of the home, offering credits without understanding actual scope, or negotiating from stress instead of strategy.